Good afternoon all. Just received a device I purchased from the States a couple of days ago, which I'm really excited about. I decided to make a unboxing with a demonstration video. It's called a tracer light wire. Purchased it from the Ghoststop Ghoststop in the States. I bought it on the 9th and it turned up today, which is the 12th. And I'm really excited to use it. I shall be trying it out tonight. But I'm just going to set it up and basically demonstrate how it works. We'll get into it. So it's got two lights, two wired lights, light wires that run either side of the device. And it detects motion. It's not EMF triggered, it gets triggered by motion. And the lights will light up and go all the way along the wires as something or someone passes the device. Might have to just do one wire because it's quite big. I might not have the room to run one that way. Perhaps just run one going along, so that works out. If I bend it, it'll break it or anything, so. So came with a power pack as well, which gave me the option to add the power pack for free, so they didn't charge me any extra for the power pack, but yet if you didn't click it you wouldn't have got it, so I don't quite know what's going on there, but yeah, looks like a pretty decent power pack. It's pretty cool. Doesn't seem to be as sensitive as you get closer to the device. Probably work better if I actually walk past it. But you can see if someone walks past it, the lights light up. So 3 at a time. Probably work better if I lay it down on the floor and test it out that way. But it's got a sensor either side, so if anything walks either side of it, it'll trigger the lights to light up red. Cool, so it cuts out there a little bit. Sensors. Seems to be working alright. Definitely an awesome bit of kit, and I'll put it into practice later and do a little session and try it out, but it's definitely an interesting one to use on investigations. Pretty cool, tracer light wire. I look forward to putting it into use later. If you watch this video, thank you very much. Peace.